Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have the 2023 limited edition spooky box. Now this is actually an annual box that Fat Quarter Shop puts out for the holiday. They have one in October, the spooky box. They have one in December for Christmas, that is the jolly box. They have one for Valentine's Day called the Cupid box, and then one, the Liberty box, for 4th of July in July. So if you'd like to get your own, they are still available on the Fat Quarter Shop as of today. Today is the 4th of October. And I will also put the link in the description box below to go get your own. And as always, please like and subscribe this video if you'd like to continue seeing more unboxings. Here's what the inside of the box looks like, as well as that leaflet that we get. They always do a really great job with their graphics. And on the back of that leaflet, you have $10 off a $50 purchase and $20 off a $100 purchase. And here we have the foldable insert that comes with the box. This tells you the contents of the box as well as the cost of each item. We did pay $35.98 for this box shipped, and then we'll go ahead and see what we saved at the end by totaling up the contents of the box. First, we have this super cute Quilters Guide Tape, a 3-pack by Sweetfire Road. This is a limited edition spooky box exclusive. It's retailing for $13.48, and it says the Quilters Guide Tape by Sweetfire Road is scary sweet and will help keep your seam straight when sewing from corner to corner. Line up the center line with your needle to apply it to your sewing machine table. Place the corners of your fabric on the line to sew from corner to corner without marking lines, and the light adhesive is easy to remove. With 3 Halloween themed prints, use it for decoration anywhere you wish. I'm actually really happy that I got this tape. I just did a project with my daughter last month, and I really could have used this seam tape to help me go diagonally on some blocks. So as soon as I get done with this video, I will be selecting probably that middle one because I think it's super cute, and I will go ahead and put that on my machine. Okay, next we have these 60 count black cat head straight pins. These are by Flamingo Toes for Riley Blake Designs, and once again, this is a Fat Quarter Shop limited edition spooky box exclusive, and this retails for $4.98. It says, "It's never been cuter to be catty. These black cat head straight pins from Riley Blake Designs are exclusively made for the spooky box, and instead of being superstitious, we are sure these will only bring super stitches to your quilting." And these are super cute. I'm sorry, there's a glare. There you go. So one thing about these is they actually remind me of the Tula Pink Unicorn pins that we did receive in a box, I believe. I also received them in a different subscription box. I have to be honest, I love all things Tula Pink. This is the only thing I've ever gotten from her that I don't like, and it's because of this unicorn horn right here. I don't know how many times I've stabbed myself, literally to the point of bleeding on my fingers when I try to load the pins on my long arm. I don't use these anymore because of that reason. And I kind of have a feeling that possibly the cat ears would be the same. So I'll have to test it out and see if it has the same effect. Next, we have this Black Cat Enamel Needle Minder. This is also by Sweetfire Road. It is also a Fat Quarter Shop limited edition spooky box exclusive and retails for $11.98. This says, "This black cat crossing your path is a sign of a very happy Halloween. This exclusive needle minder by Sweetfire Road is spellbinding and a perfect binding companion." And I think Fat Quarter Shop is right by writing that, a binding companion. I personally would not use this in the sense that I use my other needle minder. As you can see, it's significantly larger. This one I use to hold my pins when I am putting the quilt on my long arm. And then this one is perfect, like it said, for binding if you just have like a single needle that you're using to bind your quilt, or hand stitch anything really. So yeah, super handy. They usually have a little magnet on the back like this, and they just clip right to your shirt. That's what I do. Or maybe the side of your sewing machine if it's magnetic. Okay, probably all what you've been waiting for, the fabric. This is Fright Delight 20-piece Rolie Polie by Lindsay Wilkes for Riley Blake Designs, and this retails for $19.98. This says, "It's scary how much we love Fright Delight by Lindsay Wilkes for Riley Blake Designs. Filled with ghosts, pumpkins, witches, and more, this retro take on Halloween is sweetened up with classic gingham and dots. This 20-piece petite Rolie Polie has been spookily selected for you to peek at all the prints." And I'll go ahead and try to find the fabric line online and post it up here, or maybe up here, so that you can see what these prints look like. And lastly, we have this super cute Boo Quilt Pattern by Fat Quarter Shop. This retails for $9.98. It says, "This fabulous Quilt Pattern is a spooky box showstopper and can only be found in this box. The Boo Quilt Pattern by Fat Quarter Shop features 2 adorable ghosts surrounded by fun fabric patches. Use it with a Fright Delight Petite Rolie Polie in the spooky box for an eerily awesome project to display on Halloween night. And there are limited finishing kits available at fatquartershop.com. Okay, and here's the fabric requirements. It's a 24.5 by 42.5 inch quilt. So really this is more of a wall hanging. So I went ahead and totaled up our box contents and it came out to $60 roughly. So we saved quite a bit of money. For me personally, it was $35.98, like I said, with shipping. So I saved about $24 on this box. And I did see it's a little bit more now for retail on Fat Quarter Shop's website, but you still get great savings. So yes, thank you so much. Like I said in the beginning, please like and subscribe if you want to continue seeing these videos. And I really hope that you guys have a great rest of your week.